guys, this is Shelly. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you the MAC Lucky Star Retro lipsticks. So retro lipstick, like the liquid lipsticks. These are like the mini lipsticks. It's like it has like 3 different sets. They have like 2 varieties. One is like neutral and another is like vibrant, but I'll choose the neutral one. So I'll show you one by one how the lipsticks looks. So in case you are planning to buy this lipstick, you can have an idea. So this is the packaging. This is like super cute and looks very beautiful. So I'll open this package and show the Lucky Star lipstick. So this is the packaging and with the star, and look, this is the lipsticks. So this is like 3 different lipstick, 3 mini Lucky Star retro lipsticks. So I'll show you one by one how the lipsticks looks. Topped with Brandy, so this is the lipstick. So this is how the lipsticks look, you can see. So lastly I'll try the testing the star. This is how the lipsticks look. This is like all these 3 lipsticks are like matte finish. After you applying it will just completely like matte finish. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.